So you want to know what HTML elements are. An HTML element is a piece of content in an HTML document. It is actually everything from the opening tag to the closing tag. Now, if you don't know what are tags, don't worry. We will be uploading a video about that soon. HTML elements typically use the following syntax. There's the opening tag and the closing tag. In between them, there's the content. For example, this is a paragraph. It has the opening tag and the closing tag, and in between them, there's the content. For trying this out, you will need a text editor. For that, I would recommend Visual Studio Code. Now, if you want to install your Visual Studio Code, here's the video above. Note, some HTML elements have no content, like the BR element. These elements are called empty elements. Empty elements do not have a closing tag, so they are referred to as self-closing. Also, self-closing tags such as BR, HR can have a slash at the end like so. Nested HTML elements. HTML elements can be nested, which means that elements can contain other elements inside them, or, of course, nested. All HTML documents consist of nested HTML elements, like this one here. There's the heading 1 and paragraph nested inside the body element, and the body element is nested inside the HTML element. HTML structure. HTML is organized into a family tree-like structure. You can think of HTML elements having parents, grandparents, siblings, children, grandchildren, etc. So let's see. There's the body element. Inside the body element, there's the div element. Inside the div element, there are two elements, which is heading 1 and heading 2. Heading 1 is the child of div element. Div element is the parent of the heading 1. Heading 1 is the grandchildren of body element. Body element is the grandparent of the heading 1. Heading 1 is the sibling of heading 2. So this is the HTML structure, which can be easily understood with a family tree structure. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and we will see you next time. Bye bye.